Do you know many people are having trouble with properly closing the lid on their Brother printer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Support lid. Gently hold the scanner lid using both hands to ensure even support. Step 2. Clear obstructions. Check and make sure there are no items obstructing the lid path. Step 3. Lower lid evenly. Slowly lower the lid with balanced pressure to prevent any twist. Step 4. Align properly. Guide it down completely until the lid aligns smoothly with the printer. Step 5. Check fit. Verify the lid is closed correctly and sits flush with the printer's top. Following these steps should help you close the lid safely and easily every time. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Brother users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.